When the sun goes down and the light is gone, where do you go? When the sun goes down and the light is gone, where do you go?
Dom, are you thinking about renovating your home? Let me introduce you to a new, exciting way to approach renovations with cutting-edge technology. Welcome to Pumpkin BIM Solutions, where innovation meets expertise, and your dream home becomes a reality. Trust me on this journey. Show me your palm, facing up, so I can safely place the 3D scan in your hand, projecting it together. Using advanced 3D scanning, I'll capture every detail of your space. Your living room, kitchen, bathroom, and even items like your fridge and bed. With precise measurements in every direction, I'll create a complete and accurate plan of your home. And guess what? These plans show what's actually there, not just what's on the outdated blueprints you might have. We'll even compare your old plans to make sure that no important structures were altered by previous owners. Safety comes first, and we need to check every detail before making any changes. You don't want any surprises when it comes to your home renovation, right? Exactly. What you need is a clear vision of what needs to be updated, and I'll show you everything using 3D models and renders, powered by the latest technology. Imagine being able to see your home in full detail before the work even starts. It's all about making informed decisions. And trust me, it's far more cost-effective to plan ahead and avoid unexpected issues later on. Let me scan your home, gather all the essential data, and guide you through the renovation process with precision and confidence. Are you ready for this new experience? You got it!